Ms. Danaher is there in the middle, and I want her to have a chance to tell you a little about what her experience has been as a patient, being cared for by Diane and myself, and going through the procedure of having a Zephyr valve. Ms. Danaher?
And I'm now, since I've had the bronchial valves, I'm now walking like 5 miles a day. And at first, when I first started pulmonary rehab, treadmill would not go slow enough for me to walk. And it was just a beautiful experience in terms of education. When you're suffering shortness of breath with everything that you do less. The less you do, the less you're able to do. And it's frightening when you start having these palpitations and racing heart. And I've gotten so much stronger. The quality of my life is so much better, even before the valves. But since the valves, it's increased exponentially. I'm happier, more social. I feel like I have a fuller life, a new life. I anticipate each day now, rather than just getting through each day. And I expect that to continue.